It's Friday, August 10th, 2018, and this is a ServiceMonster show. Facebook gets rid of 5-star reviews.
ServiceMonster 6 has a new news feed.
And Symposium is next week. This week in social media. So you might have already realized this week, but Facebook automatically removed the 5-star reviews from your business page. The whole idea behind it is to make it easier for your customers to either recommend something or not to potential prospects. So they go in there, they write a quick review, at least 25 characters, and they can also add tags so that other people can look at what your niches are.
We also wanted to let you know, just to follow up on what Javi was saying, that you can turn recommendations off under settings on a business Facebook page. However, we recommend that you don't turn recommendations off, mostly because when they recommend your business page to someone, the tag will pop up your business information and they'll be able to click on it and get to your business page, and it just makes things a whole lot easier. So like I said, keep those recommendations on if you want that, but if not, just good to know that you have the option to turn it off.
A really cool way to engage your customers as well is by doing polls and asking your customers questions. For example, if you're having trouble as a business figuring out what kind of content you should put out there, you can ask your customers by putting out a poll on either Facebook or Instagram. Like, should I teach you how to take gum off your carpet, or do you want to follow around a day in the life of a technician? Either way, it gives you good data to know what brings more value to your customers.
This week inside Smug.
Kevin, thank you so much for your post in Smug. That's a great idea. You can actually do that under the custom field, and there's going to be a video coming out on that showing you how you can rate your customers from 1 to 10 and do a broad spectrum of different things in there. It's very malleable, very useful. So check out a video coming up on that very soon.
Paul brought up in Smug this week about customers being able to pay invoices either online or through an email link, something like that. And actually, that is coming up very soon. Joe actually responded to Paul and said that we're hoping for it to come out sometime next week. So if that's something you've been looking for, then get excited because it's coming soon. This week, inside ServiceMonster. And in line with new training videos, I worked on a couple new this week. One was creating leads and also using the lead sheets in ServiceMonster 6, and also one about the dashboards on the homepage. So you can keep an eye out for those. I posted one up on the YouTube page, working on posting the other, getting that edited and out to you guys. So just keep an eye out for those.
And one last time, Symposium is coming up. So if you are not going to the Symposium, no worries. You can totally keep updated on our Facebook page, maybe some Instagram stories, and we will be doing the Ask ServiceMonster show during the Symposium as well. So see you there. ServiceMonster product updates.
Big news on the ServiceMonster 6 front. There is, well, literally on the front page, on the home page of your ServiceMonster 6 is the new news feed. Try to say that 10 times fast. Not gonna try it. Okay, so the news feed is gonna post a lot of different things. It's something we've been working on for a while. We're really excited to give to you all. You're going to see activities posted there. Basically anything that's done as a company in ServiceMonster 6 will be listed there so you can see it. So there's going to be payments. You can actually see pictures from technicians. I mean, the list goes on. So I am going to be working on a training video for the news feed. It's not super complicated, so the video won't be long. It's mostly just to show you what the newsfeed is about and a little bit of how to set your preferences and stuff like that. So Anyways, keep an eye out for that, and also go check it out for yourself. Joe posted in Smug a place where you can go give us some feedback on what you think. So far, it's been really positive, so we're excited about that. But if you have anything to say and want to make a comment about it, go ahead and go to that Smug post. From everyone here at ServiceMonster, thank you so much for your attention.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Go check out the demo.
Give us a call.